Formula One. For some of us, it's all about instinct.
Go!
You keep pushing to the limit, sometimes beyond.
And he's touched. Oh, they're contact. Looks like rally driving. Clear them side by side. That was a champion's try.
The chasing pack are relentless in their pursuit.
This is going to be a titanic scrap. Button is absolutely flying.
Beautiful to listen to.
He goes round the outside instead.
Fantastic.
And Alonso leads. Hamilton takes the lead of the Grand Prix. Great drive, Mark. Another brave and sensational move.
But when the moment of victory arrives,
The reigning world champion.
you feel invincible. It is an emotion beyond words.
Yes, 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 yes! And yes again! Yes, boys! Yes, we did it!
Youngest ever double world champion.
The new world champion, Sebastian Vettel.
For now, a time to reflect. But soon enough, the hunt resumes.